Welcome to this program, and this is not a training program, and it is a special certification awarded to eligible manufacturing professionals. The content associated with this program is designed to exceed the requirements of ISSK, BQF, and other leading industrial management bodies. After you have completed all the requirements, you will receive your official CCIM certificate. Now this is how your certificate will look like, and to obtain this, you will need to complete the following trainings. So, a black belt or expert level training on lean manufacturing, then any advanced training on TPM, and any advanced training on manufacturing excellence, manufacturing strategy, or Six Sigma in manufacturing. Now, you can complete these trainings via the ISSK or via our institute, or maybe from many different institutes. And you will need to submit us a project report on any continuous improvement project you executed or participated. And we will discuss more about this in one of our coming lessons. Now this is how the printed version of the certificate will look like. Now, if you have completed the above mentioned trainings from the ISSK, you can obtain the CCIM certification completely free of charge, and you will only need to submit the project report, and this is coming under the Tier 1-1. Now let's say you have completed only 2 trainings from the ISSK and the other one from another institute. Then in this case, you will need to submit any of these assignments and your project report, and this is coming under the Tier 2. Let's say you have completed the TPM training and the manufacturing excellence training from the ISSK and the lean training from some other institute. Now, we will need to assess your skills on lean manufacturing. Therefore, you will need to submit the assignment 1, which is designed to assess your skills on lean manufacturing, and the project report. Now, this will associate a payment, and you can find the updated pricings on the course brochure. Then, assignment 2 is designed to assess your skills on TPM, and assignment 3 is designed to assess your skills on manufacturing excellence or manufacturing strategy or Six Sigma in manufacturing. Now let's say you have completed only 1 training from the ISSK and the other 2 from some other institutes. Now in this case, you will need to submit the 2 relevant assignments and the project report, and this is coming under the Tier 3. And if you have not completed any of the trainings from the ISSK, then you will need to submit all the 3 assignments and the project report, and this is coming under the Tier 4. And you can send us a mail to get access to your profile in our LMS. Now, in this program, we will try to brief you on the role and the career pathway of a continuous improvement manager, then about the fundamentals of lean manufacturing, TPM, and manufacturing excellence. And we have added some quizzes to refresh your memory. and we will show you how to submit the assignments and how to prepare the project report. And you may list this certification like this in your CV. And we hope you will like this certification.